What if machines could think like us? An intriguing question, isn't it? This is the very essence of the field of artificial intelligence, particularly deep learning. This branch of machine learning is inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, aiming to mimic its ability to learn and make decisions. Dr. Eli David, a leading AI expert, brings forth an insightful perspective on deep learning and its limitations. Deep learning is instrumental in analyzing big data from various sources, simulating the human brain's ability to process information and make decisions. However, the real-world deployment of deep learning models faces several challenges. One of the major limitations of deep learning is the high computational and storage demands. These requirements hinder the efficient deployment of deep learning models, especially on intelligent edge devices. Now you might ask, what's the solution to this? Well, Dr. David suggests a fascinating approach. According to him, the development process of deep learning models should mirror that of the human brain, particularly during early childhood. The human brain continuously restructures and sparsifies itself during the early years of development. Emulating this process can result in lightweight deep learning models that require less computational power and storage. This in turn can allow for efficient deployment on edge devices and enable autonomous decision-making. Dr. David emphasizes the need for further advancements in deep learning research to fully realize the potential of AI. The journey ahead is indeed challenging, but the potential rewards are immense. To summarize, deep learning, despite its limitations, holds great potential. By emulating the human brain's development process, we can overcome some of the challenges that deep learning currently faces. This process may not only enhance the efficiency of deep learning models, but also bring us a step closer to realizing the full potential of artificial intelligence. Remember, the goal is not to create machines that can outsmart us, but to develop technologies that can work alongside us, augmenting our capabilities and making our lives easier. The human brain remains a marvel of nature, a complex and efficient system that we are still struggling to understand fully. And while deep learning aims to mimic this system, it also serves as a tool to help us explore the mysteries of our own minds. As we delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, the lines between man and machine continue to blur. Each stride we make in this field brings us closer to answering the question we started with. What if machines could think like us? But for now, the answer remains a tantalizing mystery, a goal that we continue to strive towards. So, as we stand at the frontier of this exciting field, let us not forget the immense potential and the challenges that lie ahead. The journey of deep learning is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. And who knows, perhaps one day we might just be able to create a machine that can think like us. Until then, the journey continues.